They are snapshots from inside the Boston Marathon bombing investigation. Tonight, our first look at key evidence in the case. And it's evidence the government is using against three college friends of suspect Johar Tsarnaev. The young men are trying to get statements they made to investigators thrown out. Lauren Leamanczyk is working this story tonight live outside the federal court in South Boston. Lauren?
Lisa, and tomorrow, Diaz Kaderbayev, one of those friends, is expected to testify here in federal court. Now, that'll be one of the first times we will ever hear from one of Johar Tsarnaev's friends in a courtroom. Today, attorneys for Kaderbayev and the two other men showed video and pictures, evidence they hope will cause a judge to declare a mistrial.
They were brought out of their homes in handcuffs. Tsarnaev friends Azamat Tazakayev and Diaz Kaderbayev, as well as a third friend, Robel Philippos, accused of trying to destroy evidence linked to the marathon bombings. But their lawyers argue they were coerced into making incriminating statements.
The facts are starting to come out rather than some of the innuendo and false statements that have been made. And started to come out the true evidence of what he went through those 2 days last April.
The FBI provided documents showing the men agreed to allow searches of their New Bedford apartment. But the defense questions why Kaderbayev was left sitting in a cruiser shirtless for hours, then questioned without an attorney. FBI agent John Walker told the court yesterday that Tazakayev did say, "I think we're being held against our will." The agent replied, "There's a taxi cab. He's free to leave."
It's pretty standard behavior in a case where there's such a high-profile sense of violence.
Former Boston Police Commissioner and WBZ security analyst Ed Davis says, given the circumstances, the FBI's actions seem to fall within the law. But it will be up to a judge to determine whether the three friends' rights were violated.
On a strictly moral basis, to see this kind of death and destruction and to not do something to help is really reprehensible. And I think that's the way people are reacting here. But we have to remember, we're in a court of law, and it's all about the facts of the case.
Now, the judge says he will only declare a mistrial if he truly believes that these three men were coerced. The first of the three trials is set to start late next month. Live at the federal courthouse, Lauren Leamanczyk, WBZ News. Jonathan and Lisa, back to you.
Lauren, thank you.